Imagine a workspace where your team, clients, and content all come together seamlessly. A place where ideas flow and feedback happens in real time. And everything stays beautifully organized. That's Canva. Let me show you how to manage and share your designs, videos, and brand assets, all in one place. Neat, huh? Literally. Let's start with organization. With unlimited folders and subfolders on Canva, you can conveniently store, star, and access your projects anywhere on any device. An added bonus? By bringing all of your visual content into Canva, you're consolidating costs too. Here's a quick demonstration. From the Projects tab, select this button. Here, you'll be able to add new folders, set up a course to teach your colleagues, or upload files and folders from your desktop. You can even import directly from popular cloud-based storage apps. We'll add this hero folder for now. We probably need more structure though. Select new subfolder. Let's make a couple so it's obvious where things are. Now, you can save this briefing document into the right folder, like so. And you can move designs by drag and dropping them. This is where starring comes in handy. Drag important designs into your favorites folder for quick access. And it's not just designs. Did you know you can even add elements to folders? Isn't that easy? Now, when you or your teammates are in the editor, simply go to Projects, search for your folder, and find the items here. Or find them here on the homepage. You can also bulk select items by dragging your cursor like this, or by checking the boxes, making it easy to move, organize, or delete in seconds. And if you change your mind, don't worry. Anything deleted stays in your trash for 30 days, so you can recover it if needed. Once we have the project folder set up just the way we like it, we can start sharing it with the team. Choose to individually share or make it findable for the whole team. Set it to edit to allow changes or view for viewing access only. With Canva, everyone can jump into the same design and work together in real time. Collaboration is visual, engaging, super simple, and one of the best features in Canva. You know what they say, teamwork makes the dream work. Invite your team, even if they don't have a Canva account, and watch as they jump into your designs. Add collaborators via email and set permissions. Edit, comment, or view only. They'll receive a notification via Canva and an email with a link to the project. Look, there's Jack and there's Vic. Real-time cursors show exactly where each person is in the design, so there's no overlap or confusion. Any changes made appear instantly for everyone. Notice how the header copy just updated? Nice work, Vic. Whether your teammates are on desktop, tablet, or mobile, Canva keeps everyone in sync. Feedback has never been easier or quicker. Click any element to add your piece. Here's my 2 cents in a comment. Use the @ symbol to tag a teammate, like @Alex, so they're notified instantly. Or turn feedback into action by assigning tasks directly in the comment thread. I'll be notified when Alex has commented, and we can get this shipped. If you're jamming in a Canva doc, you can also switch from edit to suggesting mode to make changes without replacing content, like this. This creates its own comment here, where you can add a teammate's handle to make them aware of your suggested changes. Is the editor getting a little busy? Expand or hide comments to maximize your space for design. You can filter, sort, and see the full comment thread on a dedicated sidebar, like so. Once you've shared or published a design in Canva, the Insights tab unlocks a wealth of data to help you track performance. Let's take a look. Here's a campaign pitch I shared internally with the team. Go here to see how it's been received. This shows how many people have opened it, while this calculates the number of times it's been viewed. If you add a poll or quiz, this is where you'll see the results. Here, I can see the average time spent viewing the presentation, and this shows which pages were most popular. If I want to see a specific team member, like maybe my boss, I can click on their name and be shown their individual stats. I can easily tell who's absorbed the info, who's skimmed it, and who hasn't looked yet. That is insane. What about a design that's been shared publicly via a public view link? It's similar, but now you can track specific audiences by sending them unique links. Perfect for segmentation. Now for those social media insights. Take this Instagram post, for example. You'll see impressions, or how many times your post was seen, how many people clicked on your content, reactions and engagements, which breaks down the likes, comments, and shares your post received. Finally, we have website analytics. In Insights, you'll see country view to find out where your traffic is coming from. We've got device views pinpointing mobile, desktop, or tablet. And we have traffic sources, so you can see which platforms or links drove visitors to your site. Even better, the links section ranks which links on your site are most clicked in the selected timeframe. As you can see, it's ranked in order of popularity. Use this to see what's resonating with your audience and refine your strategies. Remember to explore insights for any shared document or design. As you've seen, different content types have different analytics attached to them. So take the time to tidy your ideas, designs, and campaigns to find what you need when you need it. Reduce stress and keep your creative flow uninterrupted. Trust us, productivity levels will soar.